Hello guys, so for the first time ever on this channel, I've decided to make a vlog of me making a kaftan. This is me driving to the market to go and get the fabric and necessary things. Okay, so this is me in the shop here. Okay, what I'm making is actually a kaftan that has this monogram on the pocket and on the placket. So this is me in the shop where they sell the placket and the pocket monogram design. So I usually don't I hardly give them a design to make. I'll just go and buy a design that is beautiful and I use it. I don't have the patience of chasing designers up and down to make a design for me. Come back today, come back tomorrow and stuff. At the end of the day, I'll be disappointing my customers for someone else's fault. So I just go and buy my the designs, ready-made designs, and they have beautiful designs. Luckily for me, they have beautiful designs for me to choose from. And most of the times, the designs that I want, I get them because they make different types of designs here. Yeah, so I just go and I buy them and then I go back and make them if the fabric is ready. But in this case, after choosing the design, I already know the kaftan color I'm making, so I just buy a design that will suit the fabric I'm buying. Okay, so I've made my choice already and I'm here in the shop where I buy fabrics, and this is me outsourcing for fabrics. So this is the process I take in making a kaftan or a suit or whatever. The funny thing is most people don't know that I make kaftans. Most people think I make only suits. Of course I do everything. I make everything at all, except I don't want to make it. I make kaftans, I make suits, I make everything you can think of beautifully well. Beautifully so, right? So this is me in the shop where I get fabrics, and yeah, these are quite expensive fabrics, like very expensive fabrics. You can see that their catalog is actually different than other ones. So this is a catalog, and at the end of the day, this is 70% done. This is the style I chose and this is the fabric I bought. By the way, if you don't know how to pipe a neck this neat, you should check the list of my videos. You are going to find how to pipe a neck this neat and how I basically make my kaftans. In fact, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Just click it and you're going to learn how to pipe a neck this neat and how the process, basically a 10-step process of me making my kaftans. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Right, so thank you so much for watching. See you in another vlog if I ever get to do it. Bye.